So whenever you want to take a screenshot on your Galaxy Watch 9 or Watch Ultra 2, just put your finger on home button and back button. Yes, you have to press both buttons simultaneously, like this. Put both fingers and press this. Here I will show you. Just start a screen which you want to take a screenshot, and after that press both buttons simultaneously, like this. And now press. See, it has successfully taken a screenshot. Or another one. Start a screen, and after that press both buttons at the same time. Just press them. Here you can see it has successfully taken a screenshot. To see a screenshot on your watch, you have to open Gallery app. Here it has a Gallery app. Now press on it, and here you can see both screenshots. Here is the first one and here is the second one. So this way you can take a screenshot. And also note that whenever you take a screenshot, that screenshot will be automatically saved on your smartphone. And to view that, you have to go to Gallery on your smartphone. Here you can see all your screenshots in a watch folder. See, this is watch folder. In this section, you will see all your taken screenshots. Also, I want to remind you that when your smartwatch is on power saving mode, then it will not send your screenshot to your smartphone. It will take a screenshot, but it will not send to your smartphone. When you take a screenshot, then it will give you a message, couldn't send to phone. So make sure about that. It will save to your smartwatch, but it will not send to your smartphone. Here, it has taken a screenshot on this smartwatch, but to send to your smartphone, you have to disable power saving mode. When you disable power saving mode, then after that, you can again send to your smartphone. Just tap on it and send to your phone. I hope you understand how to take screenshot on your smartwatch. If you like the content in this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.